In this tip of the day, I'd like to demonstrate a trim command that's very powerful, yet a lot of times gets overlooked. We're going to use this geometry as an example. So here's the goal. We want to find the most efficient way possible to trim this geometry so we can create a solid model that looks like this. All right, so if I turn this layer off, and if we take a close look here, you can see that these circles are just complete 360-degree circles. There's no trimming involved. We take a look at these lines here, there's no trimming there. However, there's a command within OneCNC that will efficiently trim this geometry to their intersections. Let me show you. Let's head over to the command manager. Let's go into our trim break tools, and we're going to select break many. Break many will take all that selected geometry and trim it to the intersections. Very good. Now it looks like nothing's happened, but on closer inspection, you can see now that these lines have been trimmed to their intersections. Both of these arcs have also been trimmed to their intersections as well. Now because of all that trimming, it's going to make creating this solid model a lot easier. I can select this portion of the arc and this portion of the arc and these two lines, hit the letter B on the keyboard to hide them or to blank them out. Now we can head over into our extrude tools, extrude curves. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm just going to pull this down right about there. That looks good. Now let's bring back the original geometry. Very good. Now let's say I want to extrude this boss. Well, I want to make sure I don't accidentally select these adjoining lines. So I'm going to select both lines. Again, I'm going to hit the letter B on the keyboard to blank or hide those. And now we can head into our extrude boss. Left click that circle, pull it up to whatever dimension we want, and left click. So all we want to do is hide the geometry that we don't want to accidentally select when we perform our extrude command. With that geometry selected, we can hit the letter B on the keyboard to hide, go back into our extrude tools, extrude a boss, grab that shape, again pull it up to whatever height that we want, and then right hand mouse click. Very, very good. All right, that's it for this tip of the day. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.